What's up, guys? 2K1 back in action. Today we got another box break of Upper Deck Football 2011. Let's see any Cam Newton, anything good. 2K1 back in action. Do another box break. I might take a break after I do a few more box breaks. Just got to focus on other things that are more important. But I'll probably do a box here and there, nothing too crazy. So let's get cracking with this new box of 2011 football. Let's see if we got one of those sweet looking cards. Oh, no. Empty box, meaning that we didn't get one of those Evolution cards, so that's okay. Well, let's go ahead and start this. We got 20 packs, and let's see what we get. Pack number 1. Alright, we got Steve Largent, Cam Newton insert. First autograph, Jabal Shareed autograph. Not sure what team he is. Got to do some research on that. Card I missed was, who is this guy? Kellen Winslow Sr. Not the Warrior. Thick card. Insert of Bernie Kosar and a Roman Gabriel. All right. This stuff is nice because you get some old time stars, all-stars, and then you got rookies. So first autograph was a Jabal Shareed, defensive end from Pitt. We got a Keith Jackson, Alan Page, Brian Bosworth and Leroy Selman insert. Cameron Hayward, thick card. Brian Bosworth again, the Boz. And we got Bo Jackson, Auburn fan. Three rookie autographs per box and one rookie letterman signature. We got Earl Campbell, Craig Morton, Mark Ingram, Ryan Mallett insert. Marcel Darius, thick card. Troy Aikman, and a Greg Purett. Alright, we got a Bubba Smith, Jim Kelly, Jake Locker insert, Sion Fua, a Bernie Kosar, and a John Elway. Thurman Thomas, insert, Ryan Williams, Devon House, Ryan Williams, 90s insert, Doug Flutie, and a Rocky Bleier. Alright, we got a Tim Brown, Barry Sanders, Daniel Thomas, insert. Thick card. And we got a 1/1 Mark Ingram printing plate. Wow, I pulled 3 1/1s recently. 1/1 Mark Ingram printing plate. That's sick. Never got one of those before. Armin Binns and Ron Yari. Oh, that's sick. That 1/1 printing plate. Mark Ingram. Steve Young, Christian Ponder, Julio Jones, thick card, Kendall Hunter, Jack Ham, Floyd Little. Got a Roger Craig, John Elway, Mark Ingram insert, Alex Ujiak, thick card, Bob Greasy, Earl Campbell. I bet you this is a Letterman. Nope, just joking. We got Charles White, Barry Sanders, AJ Green, Julio Jones insert, Jordan Tamdon, running back, Leroy Jordan, and Mike Singletary. Oh, here is the letterman, Jack Youngblood, followed by Paul Hornig, Jake Locker, Daniel Thomas insert, Craig Cooper, and the letterman is Greg Little, 23 of 75. Don't know what team Greg Little plays for. Troy Aikman, Steve Young. Daryl Johnston, Thurman Thomas, Julio Jones, AJ Green, another insert. Jaquez Rogers, thick card. Mike Alstott, Doug Flutie. Herman Moore, another Jake Locker insert. Brandon Burton, thick card. Jonathan Baldwin, Jim Kelly, Leroy Selman. John Elway, Charles White, Barry Sanders, Troy Aikman, insert. Blank card. Justin Houston, Floyd Little, Bob Greasy. We got a Barry Sanders, Billy Sims, star rookie Raheem Moore, safety, Kyle Rudolph, Earl Campbell, Leroy Jordan. Right, we got Billy Sims, Jerry Rice, Oregon State, Jaquez Rogers, Jake Locker, Ross Horman, thick card, Mike Singletary, and Rahib Ishmael. Got one more autograph in this stuff. Paul Hornig, Daryl Johnston, who's this? Bo Jackson, Mark Ingram, Adrian Taylor, Rocky Bleier, Troy Aikman. 3 packs left. Thurman Thomas, Earl Campbell insert, Randall Cobb, Rashid Carmichael, autograph. Blaine Gabbert, and Steve Young. 2 packs left, and that should be it. We're done with autographs, I do believe. Tim Brown, Barry Sanders. Who's this guy? Leroy Selman, Mason Foster, Mike Alstott, Doug Flutie. Alright, Steve Young, Roger Craig, Steve Young, Daquan Bowers, Ron Yard, Jack Ham. Last pack. Got John Capoletti, Jerry Rice. That's pretty sick. Bob Greasy, Jonathan Baldwin, thick card, George Rogers, and Tim Brown. So nothing too stellar from this box. The coolest thing was that Mark Ingram. So here's all the base cards that we have that I got to sort through. We got a Rashid Carmichael autograph. We got a Greg Little letterman. Mark Ingram printing plate. And then we got a Jabal Shareed autograph. I got contenders left and a few more other boxes, so please continue to look for my breaks. Twinkie Time 1 on eBay. Thank you for your purchases, and I'll have these sent out as soon as I can. Thanks, guys.